Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel.
But we don't get that excited when you spend time with me, honey. I'm wrong. No, borret, honey, borret.
Oh my gosh.
Wrong.
Okay. We are on our way.
My guapa kaayo wife, asawa.
Where are we going, honey?
We're going to an RV center. Check out some RVs or fifth wheels.
Bus,
just to look
big
around.
bus. Celebrity bus, you know.
Yeah, she wants a big bus, but they aren't that practical.
Nice, guys. Maybe
I will look.
We will look and then
It's free to look. Costs nothing.
Yep.
And they might have free coffee and popcorn for us.
Maybe we can show it the inside.
Yeah, they'll let you show the inside. So when we get there, we'll have her take some more video, and then we can show you what the inside of a bus looks like.
Yeah.
All right.
I like to go and look all RVs, different kind of RVs. It's nice. It's fun. So, alright guys, we are on our way, and we'll see you when we get there.
Goodbye to all my Filipina girlfriends.
Say bye. Hello guys! Andito na kami guys. Ayan o, mga bus. Ayan. And meron kaming i-check dito guys. Ito. Yung dalawang to. Ayan. Check natin guys. Let's go. Let's go. Pasok na tayo. Okay, go ahead honey. Okay, ito guys. Yung hagdan. Papasok. And then, this is where you go drive. So this is the front seat guys, over there. And this is their sink, their kitchen. Is this the, oh yeah, this is go to slide. And then this part is going to slide. This is different. And shower. It's a small shower. Their master bedroom over here. What's in there, honey?
This is a toy hauler.
Holy cow.
So you can bring a vehicle in here, a three-wheeler, a four-wheeler rather, a motorcycle.
And that goes.
Bicycles.
Now look at this. Second floor, guys. Oh my god, they got second floor. Is this a bus?
Yeah, this is a bus. So
Nice.
it's a place to sleep up there.
Look at that.
Crawl.
You got second floor here? Wow. It's nice. This is a nice one. How much is this?
Let's see. I don't know if they have a price on it.
Here, this is Thor.
Oh, here it is. $209,000.
So that's the price,
almost,
guys.
Yeah. There you go.
That's a lot of money.
No doubt.
It's expensive, guys. $200,000. Yeah, because it's huge. Look at that. Very nice though. It's a nice one. Mahal lang. The color is nice. You get lots of storage here. Madaming bus dito, guys. Ayan pa, may isa. Check natin, guys. I don't know if this is open. Parang hindi siya open, guys. Oh my god. Ay, nagula. I thought there's person over here because that one is just automatic.
Yeah, they are on these. They're automatics.
Hi guys, meron ding small buses. Ayan. Maganda din sa loob, guys. Hindi ko alam kung mahal to. Kasi walang presyong nakalagay. So, ayan. Tinignan ko siya sa loob. Maganda naman siya, guys. Halaga. Hindi ko alam kung magustuhan ni Jem daw. Pero madami naman siyang storage. Malaki siya. So, pagpasok nyo guys, ito yung makikita nyo. Dito sa medyo maliit lang siya. Ito. Ayan yung hagdan. Tapos, ito yung dining table nila. Ayan yung front seat kung saan yung driver. This is a nice one. It's big. This is the kitchen. This is not even slide out. It's not even a slide, honey. That's why.
It's got a big refrigerator and freezer.
This is the master bedroom. Ayan.
Which one's this whole thing slides out?
Yeah,
This
whole thing.
slider will
The
out.
whole way. This.
There's only one sink there, toilet and shower.
Ito yung sink na guys.
Let me see.
Ayan ako.
This is only all the way across the back. You got a couple of dressers here.
So guys, this is the bath. It's a newer one, 2017.
It's not new. It's an older
2017?
one, by 2017, Grace. It's a year old. It's 2018. So, but this is still brand new.
It looks very nice though.
It is. I don't think anybody used it.
Hello guys! Welcome back! Ayan, we just got done
Looking at
the
lots of
RVs.
fifth wheels and RV buses.
Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog because I was so busy looking at it.
Boy, there sure is a difference in quality of the way these things are built. That's for sure.
It was very nice, but it's expensive.
Yeah.
It's a lot of money.
Mahal.
Mahal. Super mahal, guys.
Mahal kaayo.
Yep. So now we are heading back. I don't know if we have to stop for supper. We don't know this.
No, we're going back to the RV to eat.
Okay, so now we are
We
going
need to
back
save
the
money.
RV. We need to save money so we can buy a new fifth wheel in the RV. So
At least we got to dream a little bit.
that was so nice. That was. I always like to
Dream.
look inside the buses, the fifth wheel, especially a newer one. These are exciting things to do. It's free to look.
Exactly.
Alright guys, that's it for today, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye! Say bye, honey.
Bye, honey.
Bye guys.